Hello and welcome back to PECO TV. Today we're taking a quick look at the latest laser cut kits in the OO-9 scale range. The LK219 and LK220 are based on the original locomotive sheds just north of Boston Lodge Works on the Ffestiniog Railway. So let's have a quick look at the history. The original two-road slate building, the LK219, was the Ffestiniog's first locomotive shed dating from 1863. The LK220 is based upon the corrugated iron and timber frame shed extension that was added in 1878. In 2008, the extension was demolished and then rebuilt, and the original shed was re-roofed with slate at the same time, but the original smoke vents were removed. The shed is now mainly used to house historic rolling stock. Now, the original two buildings were joined together, but we have made our two kits as separate standalone buildings. Both can be extended in length with multiple kits, and either single or double open-ended versions can be made. Plus they have the option of smoke vents depending on the era you are modelling, which gives the modeller so much more freedom. Both kits have detailed interiors, which we recommend painting separately before building your kit and putting it together. It's also worth mentioning that the LK219 has extra set of disc signals based on those found at the Ffestiniog. So whether you are modelling the Ffestiniog throughout history or just looking for a shed for your OO-9 layout, these two kits really have the quality and flexibility like nothing else on the market. So, until the next time, happy modelling!